Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. I've got a TMG tank smoker for y'all to check out today. Now, this is our standard 250 gallon. Hey, I hate saying standard because there ain't nothing standard about this unit. But when you go online, if you order a 250 gallon tank smoker, base model, this is how it comes right here, buddy. And she is sharp. Now, this is going to my man Chris in Scottsdale, Arizona. Chris also picked up a Fridge 48, but hey, that's a whole nother video. So we'll talk about his 250 right now. Now, this 250 starts out at $74.99. So right under 7,500 bucks. So the first comment, the comments on this video and ask how much this smoker is, it's $200 more for you. So 7,500 bucks, guys, gives you a TMG 250. And like I said, this thing's slick. So let's check it out here. The insulated firebox, we'll start off there. Now, we don't fool around with our insulated firebox here. Fully insulated, even the door, check that sucker out. Guys, this door right here weighs about 150 pounds. She's stout, fully insulated door. You got 24-inch pipe on the inside, wrapped with insulation, all 1/4-inch plate steel, guys. Love that door. You got your badass air intakes there on the side. Of course, you have our signature custom fabricated 3-dimensional hinges all the way around. And this is on skids. This is our standard skid setup here. Really cool design. Come around the smoke chamber here. And this thing right here, it's got about, let's see, about 3,200 square inches of cook space in this unit, guys. You got full bottom grates, and of course, you got your sliding top shelves. Let me tell y'all something I will never do. I will never make you pay extra for a top shelf. That is standard in every TMG pit. Come around the other side. Oh, look at that. You got another top shelf, same deal. Do have a TMG tail true thermometer in both doors. Fold down smokestack. This sucker's tall, guys. I'm about 7 foot. This thing must be 10 or 11 foot tall. Stack does fold down. All right, don't have to pay extra for that. Got your TMG Pits logo. Hey, you gotta be proud of that logo on the side there, fellas. So that's this 250. So we're about to load it up, ship it down to Arizona for my man Chris. Well, hey, we're gonna get started on the next one. If you want a TMG tank smoker, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.